Hello and welcome to another tutorial from the Money Tube. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily buy, sell, convert, and trade crypto with CoinBase. You can start buying and selling crypto. So here's the button up here, buy and sell. So right now we have three options, buy, sell, and convert. So let's enter in an amount, let's say $100. And this arrow up and down right here will convert your $100 to the Bitcoin units. So 0.00167871 Bitcoin equals that $100. So that's what it means. So let's go back to the regular dollar amount. And here you can set this to one-time purchase. So this will be a one-time purchase to your Coinbase account. So right here, buy Bitcoin, and if you click on it, you can select other cryptos that are available. Let's go back. So Bitcoin, pay with your bank, and you can choose multiple banks if you have that set up. And then now if you click on preview buy, it'll go to the next step. And Bitcoin balance, this is how much is in the account, your account right now. And let's click on preview buy, and this will give you the current price for Bitcoin right here, purchase. And here is the Coinbase fee, $2.99 for the total of $100. And you can make this a recurring weekly buy if you want to. You can check right here. And then once you're ready, click on buy now, and the $100 or minus the fees will be transferred to your Coinbase account. And how long does it take for the funds to arrive in your Coinbase account? It can take 3 to 4 days depending on your bank and location. It could be a lot faster, especially the ones that work directly with Coinbase. Okay, now let's talk about selling your cryptos. So here under the sell tab, let's go with $100 as an example, and selling Bitcoin right here. And again, you can select others that you have. And my Bitcoin balance right here, 1,600 and something, and you can add to cash. So this cash amount right here is my current only option, and once it's added to the cash, I can reuse it to either buy other coins or withdraw it to my bank account. So let's click on preview sell. And once again, there is a Coinbase fee. So once you sell this will go to the cash, and this is not a crypto or anything. This is actual USD cash that you can withdraw to your bank account. Now, if you don't want to sell your crypto and just convert it to a different crypto, you go to this tab right here, convert. So let's again select 100 as an example. And now I can trade from Bitcoin or any others that I want. Trade to any other like Ethereum, Tezos, Cosmos. And now let's preview. And the beauty with converting is that there is no Coinbase fee, and you can click here to convert now, and it's really fast to convert. It usually takes minutes. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Please leave a comment down below. Thanks again, and until next time, happy trading.